Daily English conversation Ankit and Supriya. Let's listen to a full day of simple English conversation between Ankit and Supriya. These are everyday phrases you can use to practice and improve your English fluency. Morning phone call. Good morning, Supriya.
Supriya. Good morning, Ankit. How are you today?
I'm doing great. And you?
I'm fine, thank you. I woke up early today.
Oh, really? Why so early?
I wanted to enjoy the morning breeze and go for a walk.
That's nice. Is the weather good?
Yes, it's sunny but cool, perfect for walking.
Have you had breakfast yet?
Not yet. I'm making some oatmeal with fruits.
That sounds healthy.
What about you?
I had bread, eggs, and coffee.
You and your coffee?
Laws, I can't start my day without it. So, what's your plan for today?
I need to buy groceries and maybe visit the park.
That sounds fun. Want some company?
Sure, we can shop together and then relax in the park.
Great. What time should we meet?
Let's meet at 10 a.m. near the supermarket.
Done. See you soon.
Hey, Ankit, you're right on time.
Hello. What's first on your list?
Bread, milk, vegetables, and fruits.
Okay, I'll get the bread and milk. You choose the vegetables.
Look at these carrots, so fresh.
And these apples look great too. Let's get some. This place is beautiful.
Yes, I love the sound of the birds here.
Let's sit for a while.
Good idea. We can chat and enjoy the view.
Do you often come here?
Not often, but I want to come more. Do you want to stay for dinner?
Sure. What's on the menu?
Vegetable pastas.
Sounds delicious. I'll help you cook.
Great. You can cut the vegetables and I'll boil the pasta.
Deal. Cooking together is fun.
Here's our pasta.
Whoa, it smells amazing.
Try it and tell me how it tastes.
And it's perfect.
I'm glad you like it.
Today was wonderful shopping, walking and cooking together.
Yes, I enjoyed it a lot.
Let's do this again soon.
Absolutely. Good night, Ankit.
Good night, Supriya. And that's how Ankit and Supriya spent a simple, happy day together. You can use their conversation to practice your own daily English. The more you speak, the more confident you'll become. If you like this conversation, don't forget to subscribe my channel Spoken English Without Fear. I will see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.